Hello and welcome to a day in 15 minutes UPSC Prelims Daily Current Affairs by Neo IAS. So today's topics are Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership, that is RCEP, then East Asia Summit, that is EAS, Mission Innovation, then ICDASH and Atiti, then Kung Fu Nuns, One China Policy and Skills Build Platform. So coming to our first topic, that is Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership, that is RCEP. So first, why it came in news? Because India, it storms out RCEP. It says trade deal hurts Indian farmers. Okay, so that is the news heading. So here, first you have to know more details about the news. So 7 years after India joined negotiation for the 16-nation ASEAN, that is Association for Southeast Asian Nations, led RCEP. RCEP stands for Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership, or as a whole, it is known as Free Trade Agreement. India was dropping out of the agreement, citing its negative effects on farmers, MSMEs and dairy sector. Okay, so this is the more detail about the news. So here you can see in the picture the last minute withdrawal reasons. That is a Hindu clipping. And first you have to know what are the reasons behind India's dropping. Okay, so the reason is that the present form of the RCEP agreement, it does not fully reflect the basic spirit and the agreed guideline principles of RCEP. That is one reason. And it does not address satisfactorily India's outstanding issues and concerns. Okay. So here you have to know what is the stance of other 15 countries. So the joint leaders statement, it indicated that despite India's unresolved outstanding issues, other countries, they were prepared to go ahead with the RCEP agreement. Okay. So here you can see what are the India's concern and what's next. Clear? So that's all. Our second topic is this East Asia Summit. So the news is that East Asia Summit, it vows to step up anti-terror cooperation. Okay, so this is the news. So first you have to know about East Asia Summit. So we know it is the premier forum in the Asia Pacific region to deal with issues relating to security and defense. Okay, so the East Asia Summit, actually we know it is a meeting of 18 regional leaders for strategic dialogue, and also we can say cooperation on the key political, then security and also economic challenges that are being facing the Indo-Pacific region. Okay, so here you have to know that apart from the 10 ASEAN member states, East Asia Summit, it includes India, China, then Japan, Republic of Korea, Australia, New Zealand and United States and Russia. Okay. So the first summit, it was held in Kuala Lumpur, that is in Malaysia in 2005, and the 14th in 2009, that summit, it was held in Bangkok. And another thing that you have to know that the EAS, it is an Asian, or we can say it's an ASEAN centered forum and can only be chaired by an ASEAN member. Okay, that you have to keep in mind. Then coming to our next topic, that is Mission Innovation. So why it came in news? Because the Union Minister of Science and Technology, then Earth Sciences, then Health and Family Welfare, that is Mr. Dr. Harshvardhan, he inaugurated the Mission Innovation face-to-face meeting of innovation challenges. Okay, so that is the news. So talking about the Mission Innovation, we know this Mission Innovation, it was announced on November 30, 2015 due to pioneering efforts by India, France and USA as world leaders came together. They came together in Paris to undertake ambitious efforts to combat climate changes. Okay, so actually the Mission Innovation, we know it's a global initiative of 24 countries and the European Union to accelerate global clean energy innovation. Okay, so here you have to remember that as a part of the initiative, the participating countries, they have committed to double their government's clean energy R&D investments over 5 years, while encouraging greater levels of private sector investments in transformative clean energy technologies. Okay, that you have to remember. This is as a part of the initiative. Okay. So here you can see the mission innovation, that is the global initiative working in order to accelerate the clean energy innovation. Clear? So this mission innovation, it has identified 8 innovation challenges which are global calls to action that are aimed at accelerating research, development and demonstration in technology areas. So some of them are, as I said, there are 8. That is, the first one, smart grids, then off-grid access to electricity, then carbon capture, sustainable biofuels, then converting sunlight, renewable and clean hydrogen, then clean energy materials, and even affordable heating and cooling of buildings innovation challenge. Okay, so these are the 8 innovation challenges. Clear? So our next topic, it is ICDash and Athithi. So why it came in news? Because the Union Minister of Finance and Corporate Affairs, they unveiled 2 new IT initiatives, that is this ICDash and Athithi. So its aim is for improved monitoring of customs clearance of imported goods and facilitating arriving of international passengers. That too by electronic filing of customs baggage and currency declaration. Okay. So first we can see about ICDash. So this ICDash, it is an ease of doing business monitoring dashboard of the Indian customs, thereby helping the public seize the daily customs clearance times of import cargo at various ports and airports. Okay, so with the help of this ICDash, Indian customs has taken a lead globally to provide an effective tool that helps the business compare clearance time across ports and plan their logistics accordingly. Okay, so this is a great advantage. So this dashboard, it has been developed by the CPIC in collaboration with the NIC. NIC means National Informatics Center. So here you have to remember that this ICDash, it can be accessed through the CPIC website. Okay. So the next one, it is the Athithi. So with this Athithi, the CPIC, it has introduced an easy to use mobile app, okay, for international travelers to file the customs declaration in advance. So the advantage is that the passengers, they can use this app to file declaration of dutiable items and currency with the Indian customs even before boarding the flight to India. Okay, that is a great advantage. So this Athithi, it is available on both iOS and Android. Clear? So our next topic, it is Kung Fu nuns. So why it came in news? Because the Kung Fu nuns of the Drupaka order, it recently received the Asia Society's prestigious Game Changer Award, okay, for their path-breaking work of empowering women and dismantle gender stereotypes in the Himalayan regions. Okay, that is the news. So about this Kung Fu nuns, they are the fearless daughters of India who represent a new generation of Buddhists using spiritually to inspire real life action and impact. So we can say they are a strong community of 700 nuns and growing with a 1,000-year-old Drupaka legacy. Okay. And they are also inspiring young girls to break stereotypes and be their own heroes. So, as I said, they belong to the Drupaka lineage, that is a 1,000-year-old Buddhist tradition that began in the Himalayan region. Okay. So, the Gyalagwak Drupaka, he is the spiritual leader and the founder of this Drupaka order, and he encouraged his nuns to train in Kung Fu to build confidence as leaders. Okay. So, the thing is that they are the only Buddhist nuns in the world to practice Kung Fu. Clear? So, talking about the Asia Society Game Changer Awards, it is founded in 1956, and the Asia Society, we know it's a non-partisan, non-profit educational institution, with offices in Hong Kong, Mumbai, New York, San Francisco, and even in Tokyo, Washington, etc. Okay, so this society is dedicated to promoting mutual understanding and strengthening partnership among people, then leaders and institutions of Asia and the United States in a global context. Okay, so each year the Asia Society, it honor individuals and even organization or movements that have inspired and shown true leadership in areas of policy, business, art and culture, and even education. Okay, so that about this Asia Society Game Changer Award. So our next topic, it is One China policy. We know it is the diplomatic acknowledgement of China's position that there is only one sovereign state under the name China, as opposed to the idea that there are two states. That is, one is the People's Republic of China, that is PRC, and the other one, it is the Republic of China, that is ROC. But the Taiwan's government, they claim that it is an independent country officially called as the Republic of China. Okay, so our next topic, it is Skills Build Platform. So the news is that the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, it has announced the launch of Skills Build Platform in collaboration with IBM. Okay, so according to that, a 2-year advanced diploma in IT, networking and even cloud computing, co-created and designed by the IBM, it will be offered at the Industrial Training Institutes and also National Skill Training Institutes. Okay, so this platform, it will be extended to train the ITI and NSTI faculty on building skills in artificial intelligence. That you have to keep in mind. So in the last class, I have asked you to find the answer for 2 questions. The first question is Uluru, it's an ancient sandstone monolith related to which country? And so you know this Uluru, it is a huge red rock monolith located in the central Australian desert. Okay. So it is also called as Ayers Rock in the earlier times. Now it is known as Uluru, and it was first declared as a national park in 1950, and it was renamed as the Uluru Kata Tijuta National Park in 1993. So now it is included in the UNESCO World Heritage List for both its natural and cultural values. So your answer is B, that is Australia. Clear? So our next question, it is exercise Shakti. It's a biennial army exercise conducted between India and which country? So we know this exercise Shakti, it's a biennial army exercise conducted alternatively in India and France. So this exercise Shakti 2019, it will be conducted at Mahajan Field Firing Ranges of Rajasthan. And the series of exercise Shakti between Indian Army and the French Army, it commenced in year 2011. Okay, so your answer will be A, that is France. And today you have got 2 questions. The first one is Dust Luck. It is the first ever exercise between the armies of India and which country? And your options: A, Afghanistan, B, Tajikistan, then C, Mauritania, and D, Uzbekistan. And second question, Global Microscope on Financial Inclusion. It's a report and it has been released by A, World Bank, then B, Economic Intelligence Unit, C, International Development Association, and D, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. So please find the answer for these 2 questions and please comment it in the comment section. We will discuss our answer in the next class. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this session. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment section. Thank you so much.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Follow our website neoiascap.com for detailed content and monthly prelims digest. Also join our current affairs exclusive test series through the website. And finally, participate in the daily current affairs prelims infotainment quiz at our Telegram channel Neo IAS Prelims at 9:30 p.m. every day. Thank you.